Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So this operation is relatively easy because each developer wants you to download the new updates, and basically if you want to check for new updates, simply enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system updates. As you can see, it is basically highlighted in the settings. You don't have to find them in the about phone or the system. It is right here, so it's easy to find it. So let's tap on it simply, and as you can see, here you've got the information about all of the updates. So no updates has been applied right here. I've got this option smart updates, which simply means that my device will update itself whenever it is connected with a Wi-Fi, and of course whenever the update is available. Here you can always learn why the updates matter. If you're not really sure if you want to do it, then I highly recommend to read the information here. You can also check the update history, up to you of course. So if you want to check for the updates, as you can see at the very top, and that was my misclick, at the very top we've got this option, so simply tap on it. Of course you will have to have the internet connection, and then your device will simply check whether you've got the newest software version or not. As you can see, in my case it is not the newest version, so simply I can tap on got it and my device will be updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.